Check it out. First 2025 Tremor 7.3 liter platinum F-250 beast. Look at this thing. I like that color. And it fits the lift all the way. As you guys can see, it's so long. It's cold outside, so it's only 12 or 14. So that's why you see the doors are closed. It's quieter. Anyways, let me show you guys. Got cat there, there. Usually wires into a single there, but we cut that resonator off, put an X pipe in its place, ran 2.5-inch pipe all the way into a Borla ProXS, part number 400286, right there. Then 2 tailpipes out the back, 2.5, 1 on each side, into 2 black 5-inch pipes tips. Here's the part number on it. There'll be a link in the description. They're 5x18 rolled right there. I can't show you guys the back because the door's closed. And it's all the way to the door. It's crazy. I love it. But here it is. It's clean. It came out really nice. Guys outdid themselves as usual. Did a really nice work on it. Hope you guys like it. Stay tuned. I'm going to let you guys hear it in a second. This is the Platinum Edition, so it's fully loaded. Look at that screen, guys. Woo! What a beast. And then you got Jared here, just sitting here. Very nice. What do you think of this truck, Jared? You're a Ford guy. You like it?
Sure, yeah.
All right, we're going to do a quick video, guys, because it's cold. That's it. Wow, that sounds good. What do you guys think? I like that tone. It's clean. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 107, I think. The sun's in my eyes. I don't know. 102. That sounds good. Go ahead and back it out. Perfect. You like it?
I like it.
Do we get a thumbs up? Yes, sir. Enjoy it, man. Thank you so much for bringing it down. And there's everything that we cut off over there. It's clean. It came out nice. I like it. 2025 Tremor. He wanted the tips tucked in. We made them nice and tucked in and clean for him. You guys can see right there how massive this truck is. Wow. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Yeah, sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Godzilla is about to leave. We enjoyed working on it. There it is. Good looking truck. Now it sounds good too. I like how they did the tips on that one. So nice. Beast mode. I love it. First 2025 Tremor. What do you guys think of the sound? Let me know. I like it. It's clean. He didn't want it too loud or overbearing. Just a nice, deep, clean tone. That's what we gave him.